Okay, I'm creating this tutorial for quantumshinya.com. Hi there, Shinya. This is your tutorial on how to link pages. I'm going to make a folder here. Okay, so this is a newly created folder where we are going to save two files. Okay, if we're going to open that, we've opened this folder and we don't see any file here. Okay, we don't see any file yet. Now what I'm going to do is to create two files. All right, the first one will be the index, okay, index, and the other one will be about. Okay, so this is a newly created HTML page. We just put the doc type here, the HTML head/head, and between the heads we have the title/title. Okay, and this is your title. You can change this one any way you want. Okay, so we're closing the head. We go to the body and we close it. Okay, body, close body. That means everything you're going to write in here, code in here, will be reflected on the file or your index file that you're creating. Okay, and right, so I'm going to remove this because I just coded that one for the about us page. So this is the index page. Okay, in your index page you're creating a link here, a word where your user can see, and when they're going to click on it, it will send them to about.html, which we will be creating later on. Okay, so we're gonna save this one first as index.html. So save, we're gonna go file, save as. Okay, and remember to save an HTML document, you have to look into this file name here. It says there .txt, so that's not the file that we want to name our file. We're gonna go to the save as type and click on that, go to all files there, and we're gonna type in index.html. right, so after typing in the index.html, we want to go to this link pages on the desktop where we are going to save. So we're gonna go to desktop, find that link pages which is there, double click, and we open, and there's no file in there. So we're gonna save that, save index.html there. Okay, now after saving that, okay, we can close this one. Okay, we've saved it already, right? And you can see now link pages here has now an HTML page. Okay, so that's index, that's HTML that we created. If you double click on that file, you can see there the word click here, and this is the link where we are going to click to bring us to the about us page. Now we don't have yet about us page, so we're gonna go ahead and create that page. Okay, in here. Okay, I'm just going to paste the code because it will be easier than coding it one by one. But as I have told you, if you are a beginner, don't ever copy paste codes. Okay, make sure you're gonna type the codes individually. That way you're going to master the codes and the structure of the page. Alright, so you have doc type here, HTML head/head. Okay, you got your title/title, and this is now the about us page. We're gonna put that on the title, which you don't need to write like this when you are already creating an actual website. I'm just writing it here so that you will know that this is the about us page. Okay, so in the body you have the head, close of the head, you have body there, opening body, close body there, okay, and then close HTML. Everything between the body will be shown on the page. Alright, so this is now, we're creating another link. We say go back to home, where when we're going to click on this, it will bring us to the index.html. Okay, so I'm just going to write something here so that you can determine whether this is the About Us or the index page. Okay, so this is the About Us page. So we just write, this is the About Us page. You can read things about our company. Okay, so this is just a short message so that you will determine that this is the About Us page. We're gonna save that, okay, because it's not yet saved the first time. We save it the first time, save as, and we go to the link pages there. Because it's txt file, we don't see the HTML file, but if we change this to all files, it will show us the index page. Okay, so we can type this one, about.html. Now we're gonna save it. We're now on the link pages folder. Save it there, okay, and you can close this actually, and you see now index and about page there. All right, so we try the link. If it's working, we double click on index. Okay, this is your index page, as you can see there, index.html. If you're gonna click on this one, it brings you to about.html. You see that? This is the About Us page. So we're now on About Us page. If you click on Go Back Home, click on that, this one changed to index.html. That means we are actually moving from one file to another. Click on that. You see there? All right. So now, so that you will be learning more on this one, try to add images on your website by, say for example, or I mean on your pages, right click on this and then edit with whatever program that you are editing with. You can choose program. It's not here. Okay, it takes us too long, so we just have to open Notepad there and then File, Open, and go to your link pages. Make sure this one is all files so that you can see the files, and click on index and you open there. All right, so there you go. You have this one now. You can type in many things in here to compose your web page. So let's just write the code BR there so that it will bring us a little bit down. Okay, BR there, so it will not be straight. Okay, so this is your home page. Whatever you type here will be shown on the home page. Okay, so I just format this one as paragraph, and at the end close P, and I just want to make a title of the paragraph here by using the H2 tag /H2, and I just welcome to my website. Okay, so we're gonna save that, gonna close it. Okay, go to that link pages folder and click on the index there. Right, so we got now here, welcome to my website. This is your home page, so this means that we are on the home page of the page. Click here, okay, so that we will go to the About Us page. Or maybe you can change this one if you are now creating an actual website. Okay, so we're on the About Us page. Go back to home, click on that. So we are actually moving from one file to another. All right, thank you very much for watching, and I hope Shinya have learned from this tutorial, and watch out for our next tutorial. Bye bye.